Currently, we have a 7.13 volts coming from the panel. So let's extend this one for about 3 meters to extend the total length to 8 meters, I think, because this cable is only about 5 meters. And let's see if there is a voltage drop in between. So we need to cut somewhere here. Mayong buntag sa tanan, and we are now again here to receive another package that we purchased last 11/11. Let's tear it down. Okay, so since this is already open, let's continue opening it. And this is the one. So this is a solar floodlight with 15 watts power. Okay. So you guessed it right. This one is the solar panel. So here is the solar panel array with a 5-meter cable in here. Okay. And it also comes with a remote control. So the remote control has the following functions: on and off, auto, 3 hour light, 5 hours, 8 hours, and this one is the brightness control here. Okay, so let's try to install the included battery. So also included in the package are the following: so some bolts and nuts to install the solar panel. So let's test it out first before installing it later. And also here are the instruction manuals. Okay, so these are the functions of the remote control. Okay, so hopefully this has an initial charge, as we can test it with the remote. Luckily it does not have, so we'll hook it up with a solar panel and check if it's charging or not. Okay. So as soon as we plug in the panel, it's already blinking, which means it is charging. So let me just place it here and extend it a little more. Okay, so the charging indicator light is on as the panel is placed somewhere there. So it comes with a 5-meter cable.
Yeah.
As you can see here, it is still charging, and even if it's charging, we can still turn on and off this one using the remote here. Okay, nice. So maybe we can install this one also indoors, as it is useful as a backup light somewhere else. Okay, turn it on again. You can also adjust the brightness in here, in the up and down brightness keys here. Let's have this charge up before installing it. Catch you again later. Okay, so we will now be installing this 15-watt solar panel. No, it's not a 15-watt panel, but it's just 15-watt bulb, not the panel. So this is just a small panel, just more than the size of my arm here. And for this one, we'll be needing this electric cordless drill, so that we can install it over there at the roof up where our solar panels are placed for the grid tie inverter. Okay, so hopefully it will not rain, as the skies are quite cloudy. Okay, okay, so we'll be placing it here. So I think it's okay, and we'll just put on the bolts and nuts and place it just like that. Okay. Okay, so this could just be hand tight, and reorienting it just like that. Okay, the cable is already in place, but the thing is, the cable is too short. I think we need to extend a little bit of about 2 meters, as we will be placing the flood lamp in the hallway, which is underneath. So before doing that, let's check first if we see a voltage drop if we extend the cable for about 2 meters. So for this one, we'll be using this cable. So this is cable from previously used with the VDSL installation. So these are solid copper wires here that we could use to extend this one, so we need to cut this line first and extend it a little bit more. Okay, so let's check first if we will experience a voltage drop if we extend the cable. Okay. Okay, so using the voltmeter, okay, so currently we have a 7.13 volts coming from the panel. So let's extend this one for about 3 meters to extend the total length to 8 meters, I think, because this cable is only about 5 meters. And let's see if there is a voltage drop in between. So we need to cut somewhere here. So luckily we have the same size of the wire being used for this cable, so hopefully there will be no voltage drop. Okay, so let's use this one. Okay, so temporarily connected this cable for about an extension of 3 meters. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, so it's good. So even if we extend it to about 3 meters, the voltage is still the same at 7.12 DC. Okay, so let's continue with the installation inside. But before that, let's put on some electrical tape on this connection here. So for the solar floodlight, we'll be installing it indoor, which is here at the back of this hallway. Just near to this 5-watt bulb. So I've already marked out the ceiling and where it will be placed. Then we'll just cut that section and screw in the flat lock. Okay. So I already have the cable here and cut through the ceiling of this. Finally connected the connector, including the cable and the hole in the ceiling. Now it's time to see if the floodlight will still be charging. Time check, it's now 4 p.m. and it's quite cloudy outside, so let's see. So we're going to connect connector here. And as you can see, the solar floodlight is still charging. Nice. So also we have already drilled out the screws here at the side, for this is only made of plastic, so we can use this one to drill it to the ceiling. So for the finishing touches, let's screw this one in and place it on the ceiling. Okay, so we're not done with the installation, and as you can see, the solar light is still charging. So let's try to turn it on by the use of this remote. Okay. So now we can see the difference. So the other one is a 5-watt LED bulb, while this one on the left side is the 15-watt solar floodlight. So this one will automatically lights up when the sun is out, and by the use of this remote you can set this one to auto on. We can also set this one to the different hours, so 3 hours, 8 hours, so whatever is desired. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so if you think that this video is helpful for you, then just give it a like and share it with your friends.